You want to hang out with your English-speaking friends, but when they ask, want to do something, your mind goes completely blank. I'm Emily, and today you'll learn how to make plans, suggest activities, and say yes or no naturally like native speakers do. Skip one phrase here, and you'll keep giving awkward responses while your friends stop inviting you. Brian, do you want to grab coffee this weekend?
Maybe?
See, that's what happens. You're not sure what to say. Let's fix that right now. First, suggesting plans. Do you want to get coffee?
Do you want to get coffee?
Good. Or want to get coffee? We drop the do you a lot.
Want to get coffee?
Perfect. That's super casual. Now, other activities. Want to see a movie?
Want to see a movie?
Nice. Or want to grab lunch?
Want to grab lunch?
Exactly. Grab means get something quick and casual.
So I don't say eat lunch?
You can, but grab lunch sounds more natural. Now, let's say someone suggests something. They say, want to hang out Saturday? You're free. You say, yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Or sounds good.
Sounds good.
Perfect. Practice this. Say, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Excellent. Say it again.
Yeah, sounds good.
Great. Now, what if you're excited? That sounds amazing.
That sounds amazing.
Or I'd love to.
I'd love to.
Nice. Now you're not free. You need to say no politely. I can't, sorry.
I can't, sorry.
Good, but add a reason. I can't, sorry, I have to work.
I can't, sorry, I have to work.
Perfect. Or I wish I could, but I'm busy.
I wish I could, but I'm busy.
That sounds really apologetic, very polite. Now here's important. After saying no, suggest another time. How about next week?
How about next week?
Yes, or can we do it another day?
Can we do it another day?
Exactly. That shows you actually want to hang out, just not that day.
That makes sense.
Now asking about time. What time works for you?
What time works for you?
Good. Or what time is good?
What time is good?
Perfect. And answering, you say, how about 3 o'clock?
How about 3 o'clock?
Or is 2 okay?
Is 2 okay?
Nice. Now agreeing on time. They suggest 3, you say 3 works, or 3's perfect.
3 works.
Good. What if 3 doesn't work? 3's a bit early. How about 4?
3's a bit early. How about 4?
Excellent. You're negotiating politely. Now location. Where do you want to meet?
Where do you want to meet?
Perfect. Or where should we meet?
Where should we meet?
Yes. Answering, how about that cafe downtown?
How about that cafe downtown?
Or let's meet at the park.
Let's meet at the park.
Great. Now here's something Americans do constantly, making plans but keeping them loose. Want to do something this weekend?
Want to do something this weekend?
See? No specific day, no specific activity, just checking if you're available.
So what do I answer?
If you're free, say, yeah, I'm free. What do you want to do?
Yeah, I'm free. What do you want to do?
Perfect. Then they might say, I don't know, maybe grab dinner?
And I say, sounds good?
Exactly. Or suggest something yourself. How about we see that new movie?
How about we see that new movie?
Nice. Now confirming plans. This is important. The day before you text or call, we're still on for tomorrow, right?
We're still on for tomorrow, right?
Yes. Still on means the plan hasn't changed.
Got it.
They'll say, yeah, see you at 2 or something like that. Now canceling last minute. Sometimes you have to cancel. Hey, I'm so sorry, but I can't make it today.
Hey, I'm so sorry, but I can't make it today.
Good. Always give a reason. Something came up is common.
Something came up.
That means an unexpected thing happened. Or be specific. I'm not feeling well. Or I have a family emergency.
I'm not feeling well.
Right. Then always reschedule. Can we do it next week instead?
Can we do it next week instead?
Perfect. Let's practice a full conversation. I'll invite you out. Hey, want to grab lunch on Friday?
Yeah, sounds good. What time?
How about noon?
Noon works. Where should we meet?
That Italian place on 5th Street.
Perfect. See you then.
Excellent, supernatural. Now another one. I'll suggest something you can't do. Want to come over Saturday night?
I wish I could, but I'm busy Saturday. How about Sunday?
Sunday's good. Around 6?
6 is perfect.
Great job. Now, what if you're suggesting plans? Start casual. Hey, are you free this weekend?
Hey, are you free this weekend?
I'm the friend. Yeah, I think so. What's up?
Want to check out that new restaurant downtown?
Oh yeah, I've been wanting to try that. What day?
How about Saturday night?
Saturday works. 7 okay?
7's perfect.
See, you just made plans like a native speaker. Now, here's something cultural. Americans often say, let's hang out soon, but don't make specific plans.
So they don't actually mean it?
They mean it, but it's casual. If you want real plans, you need to suggest a specific day. Don't wait for them.
Oh, so I should text and say, how about Friday?
Exactly. Be specific or it won't happen. Last thing, ending plans conversations. All right, see you Friday.
All right, see you Friday.
Or looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it.
Perfect. Now you can make plans, change them, cancel them, all in natural English. The key phrases are want to for suggesting, sounds good for agreeing, and always be specific about time and place. Here's my question. What's your favorite thing to do with friends? Movies, dinner, coffee, what? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more real conversation English like this, subscribe. We'll help you sound natural. Thanks for practicing with us.